and today I'll be unboxing the Korg pitch clip, also known as the PC-1. Now before I unbox it, I want to give you guys a look at the box itself. So here's the front of the box. It just says, Korg, pitch clip, clip-on tuner, chromatic, PC-1, the tuner itself, and it says it's for guitar and bass. And up here it says there's over 20 million tuners sold, so that's pretty cool. And on the top it just says Korg pitch clip PC-1. On the right hand side, nothing special. On the left hand side it just kind of shows where it goes on, the little headstock. It has a 120 degree swivel, and it includes one, what's that, CR2032, one of them button batteries, I guess. And it just says PC-1 again. And then here's some stuff on the back in different languages. For the English, it just says clip-on tuner, chromatic. Zoom in there. Discrete, ultra-light, chromatic clip-on tuner. High contrast LED display, offers extra wide viewing angle. Accurate piezo sensor, quickly detects instrument pitch. And reversible display for easy viewing, no matter where the tuner is mounted. So that's the box. Now let's open this bad boy. This was pretty easy peasy. Oop, that fell out. This is the battery. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else in there. Nope. Put that aside. Okay, so it all just kind of came out at once. There's the little inside the doobop. Here is the little button battery in question, right there. Looks like a hearing aid battery or something like that. Here is the manual, I guess. Put that aside. And the tuner itself. Pretty freaking small if you ask me. So, talk about discreet. Ta-da! So, in the next little installment, I'll show you the Korg pitch clip in action. Stay tuned. Okay, before I actually show the tuner in action, I want to show you guys how to install the battery on here. So it's a pretty simple setup. You just open the side, and here's the little battery compartment right there. Just push it in. That, and you got your little battery that's been provided for you. I guess it says it's good for several hours. I think it was like 30 or 40 some odd hours, which you're not really tuning that long, so it will probably last you for freaking ever. I really like Korg tuners. I've had them since I picked the guitar up again back in 2005, and I've only had to change the battery once on my other Korg tuner, and I decided to get the pitch clip just because I was looking for something a bit more discreet, a bit smaller, just a little something I can use on the fly. Man, this battery just doesn't want to come out, does it? About ready to tell my whole life story here. Alright, well finally, after much poking and prodding, got the battery out, and just set the, let's see, positive. Okay, yeah, you just set it down like this, which is, this is the positive side, which is the flat side. Gotta look at that, thanks to this little numbering on the case. If you can see that there, there's a little plus sign. Alright, and you just slide it back in, like so. Okay. Alright, and I guess, let's see. And the power button is right here. Press it. Ta-da! But anyway, now that it's on, it'll flash open depending on what the key is. So in the next little bit, I'll actually show you the tuner in action, so you'll be able to know how it works and all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. Alright, so in this little part, I'm going to show you how to actually use the Korg pitch clip, which is right here. So here we go. All you do to use it, just open it up like so. The little power button is inside right there, if you can see that. There it is. Just press it, and you'll see the little light come on. So what you do, just clip this on the headstock right there, flip it forward, just kind of angle it there so I can actually see it. Okay, got a little thing pop up. And my guitar is tuned a whole step down, so right now I'll just tune my guitar. As you can tell, it's in the top string is D. Then this one's G. And C. And F. Then we have A. Oh, I was way out of tune there. Then we have D again. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the Korg pitch clip. So yeah, this is the Andy San, signing out for now. Thanking you guys for tuning in to this demonstration video, and for liking, commenting, subscribing.